everyone. Check this out. It's been a minute since we've been here. Look at how much they got done. They've gotten a lot done since the last time we were here. Look at this. Remember how opened up that was? Now look at that canopy. They have gotten so much done. Well, we're not going up there just yet. We had a train come in. But we will be going up there shortly. There goes the train. There it goes.
26. You're at the Beaumont train.
Okay, so we're going to watch this train go out, and then we're going to go up to the platform, because now that we see what it looks like from down here, we can go up there and see what it looks like up there.
So we are
So there's the train going. Alright, so here we go. We're going to take the elevator up there. So okay, so as you can see all their materials piled up here. If we go up there, you'll be able to recognize some of these materials that they have. So you can really see how they got their staging areas set up. Alright, so we're going to take the elevator up. So here's what it looks like from underneath. I thought I would show you this real quick before we went up there. Because when we go up there, we're going to see what these look like from up there. So this is what it looks like underneath. You can see how all this stuff looks. Alright, so there's what that looks like, and then we're going to come back here. Remember, we were just downstairs, so now you can see what that looks like. See, the staircase and the escalator. We were just talking about that downstairs. So here we go. Look at all this they got done. Remember, there was nothing but beams and columns out here last time. Look at that. They even got the panels on the top here on the canopy. Look at this. Look at that. Look at all the paneling. See? And then remember the metal we saw downstairs? That's the metal that we saw downstairs that they're putting in there.
Yeah, this is totally changed. This wasn't here the last time we were here.
You could really see what they've done. So let's go over here now and we'll check this out. See, there's the elevator that we just came from right there. This was the train that we saw that was been sitting here, and I don't know why it's been sitting here, but that's besides the point. So here's the other side. So here we go. Now you can see this side of the escalator. Look at that. See, you can see all that in there.
I hear a train.
Yes, I hear it. So you can see all that. Look at that. You can see that from where we were just downstairs. We saw all that down there. So now we can see the other side of how it looks. Lots of the framework. See? Alright, let's see. Maybe we can spot it going through the train. Oh, here we go. Look at that. We just spotted it going through the door. Let's come over here. I don't know if I can make it that. I don't know if I'm going to get there in time. Let's see. Oh! Alright, maybe. Here we go. Babylon train station. It looks very nice, doesn't it? See, they even got new signs. Where the green was, there used to be blue there, so they put new signs in too. And look at this down here. They even got this. They're fixing up too. They rebuilt a lot of stuff on this station. It's crazy. It's crazy how much work they have done to this. Look at this. All right, here we go.
I used to train the
All right, here we go. This train's gonna take off.
You're lucky, Val. Get back before the train was leaving.
Yeah.
Boy, I was going to go to Penn Station.
I had to do it, guys. Oh, Detroit was doing behind me. I made it for a system time. I'm glad I got the other train coming in, though.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I peeped through the door. All right, so we're gonna watch this one go.
It's a missing train again. NYC, what are you doing?
I'll catch the next one. All right. See, there's the one we saw through that train over there. And there that one goes.
Train to Seattle will depart in 6 minutes on track 2. There are more seats available towards.
So now you can really see. So we're going to walk down here again now that the train is gone. You can see a lot more of what they've done.
Another train coming in.
So now we're going to have another train coming. This is a very busy station. If you haven't noticed from the last videos that we did when we were here. So now you can see what the inside of this looks like. There's the escalator for over there. Oh, here we go. This one's going. All right, here we go. Alright, so let's take a look at this here. We didn't come on this side before, so we're going to go down this way this time. See what it looks like down here. Oh, we got a train coming.
Is now arriving on track 2. Please activate e-tickets now and step over.
There's one of the staircases. So here comes the train now. There's Argyle Lake. We've been there times. I'm sure this looks familiar to you if you've been following me for a while. You know we've been there a bunch of times. Well, so I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on the station. As you can see, they've gotten so much done. So I'll continue to keep you updated and show you the finished product eventually. So we might only be coming 1 or 2 more times, and that'll probably be it. So here's Babylon train station.